This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lonnie Scott. All the historical charm without compromising modern luxury. Beautiful 1925 Craftsman 2-story located in sought-after Winnetka Heights combines the best of the old and new. This custom restoration with fabulous wrap-around porch boasts tons of updates and features sure to please: refinished original hardwood floors, custom fireplace design, beautiful archways and brass lighting accents. Spacious kitchen with quartz countertops, herringbone backsplash, chef stove and penny and subway bath tiling. Master spa west double walk-in shower, oversized bedrooms, bonus room, AirBnB-office on main level and bi-level backyard deck. Convenient to downtown, Bishop Arts District shopping and entertainment and easy access to I-30 and 35. For more